Welcome to Mkosi Nomagatsheni. I am Omagatsheni, Mkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami zethu. It's about today's episode of Uthando Nesithembu, which is season 8. I think it's episode 19 or 20. I'm not sure, guys. I'm no longer counting episode because Uthando Nesithembu idlala kayi-2 on the week, which is Wednesday and Thursday. And I feel like this season episode wakhona maningi. I lost count, but I'm going to be talking about today's episode, which is the episode that we have been waiting for, guys. The episode of birthday party Musa Mseleku. He was turning 50, and we all know that Musa Mseleku abakhosikazi wakhe have been celebrating birthday wakhe, but then lena he was looking forward kuyo. It was 50 years, because what yena if birthday as we celebrate it's when he is 50 years, of which if he is 50 years, even though if he angekho right, and 50 years birthday yakhe ifike semtshengisile ukuthi you know what kuyaguleka emhlabeni, because uMusa Mseleku bangekho right. Even on the party, guys, akakarikhavi kahle, but sesibonga nje uNkulunkulu nendlozi la kaMusa Mseleku ukuthi uMusa Mseleku ubuyile and uzophilela abantwana bakhe. I truly believe ukuthi usazophila futhi neminye iminyaka, guys. uMusa Mseleku today uphathi yakhe amakhosikazi wakhe disappointed me, and this season I just feel like amakhosikazi kaMusa disappoint us, guys. I've been talking about amakhosikazi kaMusa. So kule party amakhosikazi kaMusa they arrived after bafike kuvenu after ama guests sewafikile, uMusa naye sekafika. Okay, guys, ngiyakubona kwaMusa abantu bangaphandle abakwazi ukufika kakho wena ungakafiki. You understand? Abakwazi ukufika emgidini wakho wena umnazo umgidi ungakafiki. Kanjani, guys? Kanjani? But ke kufike kucela kwafika uMayeni naye bakalate, but not that bad, bekakahle nje. Kwafika uMacele, kwafika uMakhumalo, who was very late, and excuse yakhe ke akasibona wrong uthi vele kuMusa Mseleku umuntu ofike after uMusa ufila engathi uMusa Mseleku always say ulate, but yena akekho late because ufike amuhle. Yazi uMakhumalo, guys, angazi noma ukukhula, but ke ukhula kabi. I must say ukhula kabi. Yes, uMakhumalo lwakudala bekunezinto esingavumelani ngazo naye, but bekunkosikazi. You know, guys, I feel as if a lot of people who are saying uMakhumalo uchincha uba right is because I think amakhosikazi abantu abaningi basimame, especially in our country, bandlula ezimeni ezinzima and bafuna ipain yabo ifane nale, or whatever enzeke kubo, ubuhlungu benzeke kubo emshadweni yabo ufane nalo wakaMakhumalo or nalo wenza kaMseleku. Guys, akufani. uMakhumalo abona ekuqaleni as much as bakamela uMusa, but into wayezele kaMseleku, into makaze kaMseleku wayezele ukuzokhulisa umuzi bene wayeze kuMusa. So makazoza kaMseleku ayenza ngendlela yenza ngayo. Mina ngithanda lwana la. I just feel as if as much as Makhumalo dala besifuna ukuthi avumelane neqiniso sometimes, but now I feel like uyenza okundlulile, because now why azofika late? Then late, guys, just say I'm sorry. Okay, uMangwabe naye ufikile late, then uMangwabe ke ireason yakhe even though beyingazwakali, but iya understanding ngoba ushilo ukuthi bokumele aqale aye kubo ayolanda abantu bakubo kubo kusekudeni, then nendaba ye-dress. We know that, guys, ama-designers, they are all, sometimes a lot of the time they are late. Abantu bafika late emishadweni yabo because of ama-designers, guys. So iyazwakala vele if bengithungisa ingubo ngizoyilinda ingubo yami ngiyigcoke ngoba anginayo enye into engizoyigcoka. You understand? Nale ukuthi bekayolanda abantu bakubo omunye umuntu angathi angabalandanga earlier, but ke eyengubo uyayiva ukuthi yazwakala even though ungamuzwanga axolisa. But guys, a lot of people, they honored invitation, bebabahle. Then uMusa Mseleku believe that abantu bakayeni they didn't honor invitation, and uthi yena ufila as if uMayeni akamhloniphi abantu bakaMseleku ngoba abantu bakayeni who were there, guys, uthi abantu abancane kayeni. We know that uMayeni unobabakhe osaphila emhlabeni. I've never heard about umama kaMayeni ukuthi uyaphila or akekho. I've never seen umama kaYeni or umama kaMayeni on Uthando Nesithembu, unless mhlawumbe ngeke ngambona ngakhohlwa, but I've never seen umama kaMayeni. Mina umuntu engeke ngambona ubaba kaMayeni. I'm not sure whether it was on Uthando Nesithembu or show YouTube channel akamnini. I think it was on Uthando Nesithembu when ubaba kaMayeni bekasichazela ukuthi uMayeni walotsholwa nini waya nini emzini wakhe, but I remember ukuthi uMayeni unaye ubaba ophilayo engathi ndabo sisi. But ke there I've seen umuntu okhulumela kaYeni abantu bakayeni, umuntu obongela abantu bakayeni, usisi kaMayeni. I think uMusa Mseleku was wrong of saying abantu bakayeni mele beze lapha. I don't think ukuthi kuvumelekile or into enhle ukuthi ubabam attend i-event yasebukhweni bami. I don't know, unless umnqwabo, guys, but iphathi I don't think yinto eright yabo njengoba amakhumalo bayakhona but amafamily awafani kibo umakhumalo ukukhulume ubaba kaMakhumalo so uMusa Msele kuyena akayibona into wrong ukuthi vele babazala amsebenzele akayibona into wrong ukuthi babazala eze kakhe ngendlela athanda ngayo but I don't think ukuthi guys angizazi lezi zinto zesintu but I don't think ukuthi into evumelekile because I do know that umamazala akayi kaMkhwenyana akayenzi ngendlela athanda ngayo kaMkhwenyana so I don't know where uMusa Msele kwa expect ukuthi abazali mayeni beze kube yiba babongayo I don't know but I felt as if he was so unfair ukuthi azothi abantu bakayeni laba abadala bezanga you understand I don't know makathi abantu mhlambe bekasho abobhuti I don't know but ke umuntu okhulumela umuntu akacele is ubhuti kaMacele but umuntu kaMacele ngoba he is married to usister kaMacele omdala okay that means ubhuti omdala and then leyo muntu I don't think umuntu akacele mina sorry but I don't think umuntu akacele kaKhumalo kibo mayeni ukhuluma usister kaMayeni kaKhumalo ukukhulume ubaba kaMakhumalo kacele so kibo mangwabi kwakhuluma ubrother kaMangwabi but yena nje ukuba bonke abantu ababonile ubone ngathi abantu bakayeni onanga i-invitation yakhe I don't know why mhlawumbe uzowachaza amanye ama-reasons wakhe but I felt as if he was wrong of saying that as long as abantu bafikile guys and as long as abantu they were there to celebrate naye guys but bazalwa mthi so please comment down below ukuthi nina nibone kanjani and do you think umayeni was wrong of not abantu bakubo bafike mhlambe ubatshilile futhi bona they felt as if you know what masizokhipha labantu laba maybe baba kabayeni felt as if you know what mina sengimdala maybe makungaphuma labantu laba yona sound as if ngiyamkhulumela mayeni but guys you can comment down below ukuthi nibona kanjani and please don't forget to like subscribe share and hit that notification button nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.